This video is for a detailed information about Bingwa Sokoni. What is Bingwa Sokoni? That is the first question. Bingwa Sokoni is a service from Safaricom. Mark that. Bingwa Sokoni is a service from Safaricom that will enable you to get data. You will get SMS or minutes. The three. And the interesting part of it is that you can get those items with or without Okoa Jahazi. The main problem back then we were saying main problem facing the car industry. I don't know, it was lack of what? Story for another day. But in Bingwa Sokoni or in digital world, the main problem facing internet what is Okoa Jahazi. Because I can say 50 to 60% of Safaricom users have Okoa Jahazi. And if you have Okoa Jahazi, nowadays they can allow you to get Okoa Jahazi up to even 2,000. Me currently my limit is 1,500. So assume you have Okoa Jahazi of 500 or 10,000 or even 1,500. Can you really get data minus paying it? No. But that is possible through Bingwa Sokoni. You can get it directly if you have what? If you use Bingwa Sokoni. Now, let me continue. I've said that we offer three services. That entails minutes, SMS, and data. And data, you can only buy once per day per line. Then minutes and SMS, you can buy multiple times as you want. Under data, yes, it is purchased once per line per day, but there are other options which you can purchase more than once. For example, we have an option of 1 GB 1 hour. 1 GB 1 hour costs you 20 bob. That option you can buy it as much as you can per day per line. Are we together? Another one is 1.5 GB for 3 hours. 1.5 GB for 3 hours will cost you 50 bob. That option you can buy as many as you can. Another one is 2 GB 24 hours. 2 GB 24 hours will cost you 110. That option can be purchased multiple times per day per line, whether you have Okoa Jahazi or not. My friends, if you have Okoa Jahazi of 110, or you are not 110 but let's say 300, but you will only need 20 bob to get data, which option will you choose? Bingwa Sokoni. You see. Option for minutes. There are only two options for minutes. I'm talking as an agent under tail number 4541492. I'm only responsible, mark that, I'm only responsible if our customers approach us under the tail 4541492. Bingwa Sokoni has made many agents with different tail numbers. Bingwa Sokoni has different agents, different tail numbers. So me personally, I'm responsible for a tail number 4541492. Bingwa Sokoni works just as M-Pesa. You can see every town has M-Pesa. every town has a M-Pesa agent. Yeah, it works like that way. Bingwa Sokoni also has agents, and those agents have different tail numbers. M-Pesa have different agents have different store number, different agent number. You see? Yeah. Now I'm responsible for tail number 4541492, that is Gordon Achieng. Options for minutes. There are only two options for minutes. One is 22 bob. That will give you 45 minutes for 3 hours. That option, you can purchase it as many times as you can. Are we together? Good. Another option is 51 bob. 51 bob will give you 200 credo until midnight. 51 bob will give you 200 credo until midnight. Those are the only options for minutes we have under till 4541492. Let's come to SMS. SMS, we have 3 options actually that are actively purchased. Number 1 is 5 bob. 5 bob will give you 20 SMS 24 hours. Another option for SMS is 10 bob. 10 bob will give you 200 SMS for 24 hours. Then we can say the last option under SMS is 30 bob. 30 bob will give you 1000 SMS 7 days. Then if you are interested in monthly SMS, yeah, there are also monthly SMS. We have the other one for monthly can cost you 200. There is other one can cost you 100, but they are not actively purchased. So if you need it, you need to contact agent number. I will give it at the end of this video. Then tell us that you need SMS for 1 week or 1 month. Then after sending money, we will initiate it for you. Then you get it. Now let's talk about data which can be purchased once per day per line. There is this popular option that is 250 MB 24 hours. That is the most actively purchased data option. It costs 20 bob. It is 250 MB for 24 hours. That option, you can only get it once per day per line. And the day starts at midnight. Immediately at midnight, you can purchase another one. That will take you up to midnight. Again, at the midnight, you can purchase another one. Right? Yeah. The next option that you can only purchase once per line per day is 1.05 GB. 1.05 GB will cost you 55 bob. That option, you can purchase it only once. And I assure you that is the best option. That 55, 1.05 GB, you can stream TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and MBs are still looking at you like this. Choose it. That is the best option for what? For daily users. Which option is remaining? There's this option of 99 bob. 99 bob will give you 1 GB, and that 1 GB will last for 24 hours. That is 99 bob. Another option, there is this newly updated option for data that will cost you 255. 255 will give you 5 GB, 3 days. You see? Again, there are monthly data that can be purchased once per line per day. But those monthly data, they are not actively purchased. So if you need it, you can just send, or you ask about it, then we give you direction, you purchase it. One is around 250, yeah, 250, then the other one is 300, the other one is 1000, the other one is 700. You see, it is much expensive, yeah, because we need things that can cost us less, so that we can stream online. You see. Yeah. Somebody can ask that, can you award or can you buy for another number? Yes, you can buy for another number if you are the one paying. If you are the one paying, you need first to contact our agent. You just send SMS that buy SMS to this number. You give that number in that SMS. Buy SMS to this number, then you pay. Or buy minutes to this number, then you pay. Buy data to this number, then you pay. Yeah, it will go to that number. Another question that I frequently get is, how will you know that now I want minutes, now I want data, and now I want SMS? Good. What will show us what you need is the amount. What I've described as different amounts. There is no Bingwa Sokoni option that shares amount with the other. That's the reason why there is 25, 10, 110, 255. You see, there are different amounts. So after sending that amount, automatically we know what you need. System knows what you need, and it will send it to you. Are we together? Yeah. Now we know that using what? Using amounts. Again, if you send and you don't get what you need, what can you do? At times, we can have network issues, or we can have system challenges. You know, systems are man-made, and anything that is man-made has problems. So it can develop a problem. We can have network issues. At that point, what you can do, you only contact. Everything is done by the agent. Every problem. If you call Safaricom, they will not help you at that point, but agent will help you easily, because calling Safaricom will need you about if you don't know how to call Safaricom, you will need around 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes is more. You will need 10 minutes to call Safaricom. But if you contact agent, Bingwa Sokoni agent like me, it will cost me around 2 minutes. Then I have already resolved that your issue. So the best option is to contact the agent first before you contact Safaricom. Are we together? Yeah. Next option or next question that I normally receive is which one? How to do payment? All payments are done via till or through a till number. You go to M-Pesa, then you go to Lipa na M-Pesa, then buy goods and services, then you enter till number, and our till number is 45 41 492. 45 49 no 41 492. 45 41 492. That till will enable you to get Bingwa Sokoni items with or without Okoa Jahazi. Your Okoa Jahazi will not be paid if you pay to that till. It will not be deducted, but you will get what you need: SMS, data, or minutes. Are we together? Now that is how we make payments. Okay. I think I've exhausted everything. I don't see any other question that I should respond to. Oh, there is a agent number that you can contact for more inquiries or for anything you need. That number is 01 11 39 35 75. 01 11 39 35 75. Always text, send a message, don't call. If you call, it will not go through, but send a message or visit WhatsApp. It is in WhatsApp, yeah. Send us a message there, we will respond to you with immediate effect. If there is delay, if you send, then there's delay, you see after 5 minutes there is no response, just send us a text message. We check, then we initiate that your product and it will be delivered. Are we together? Everything is perfect until number 45, 41, 492. No fraud, no blame game. We don't do anything that is dangerous to our customers. About, I think you can confirm with the different people. Till number 45, 41, 492, I think is the best because of services we offer. Try it out. Come to Bingwa Sokoni. If you have Okoa Jahazi, my brother, buy Bingwa Sokoni SMS. You will not regret. Then if you don't have, you can just purchase Bingwa Sokoni SMS just to promote us, Bana. Don't go. Buy SMS, data and whatever. Even if you don't have Okoa Jahazi, because we are saying it is without Okoa Jahazi, go. Come purchase data, come purchase SMS, send money, then purchase what? Purchase even data. And I've showed you that the best option is that of 55. That 55 gives you 1.05 GB until midnight. That is the best. Check it out.